Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Combs Design. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to save time and money and be more efficient in your 3D printing. Let's put 1 minute on the clock and I'll show you how. We all struggle with the same problem. We have mostly used spools of filament that are sitting around and we don't know what to do with them. You don't want to risk a print failing because there's not enough filament left on the spool, but you also don't want that filament to go to waste. To avoid this problem, we can simply measure the weight of our entire spool when we first open it. We can take the total weight minus the weight of the filament that's on that spool. In our example, when we have a 1 kilogram roll, we have 1,000 grams of filament on the spool. So we can take our total weight in grams and subtract 1,000 grams to have our spool weight. So now when we get to the end of a roll of filament and we're not sure if we have enough filament left, we can simply weigh the spool and subtract the weight of the spool to get our weight of how much filament is left. You can then compare the weight left on the spool to the estimated filament used in your slicer. This will tell you if you have enough filament left for a print. I hope this quick tip was helpful for you. If it was, consider hitting subscribe. That's the best way you can help me continue to make free content on YouTube. I will catch you guys on the next episode of Combs Design.